How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the next episode. This is going to be the finale of the boat project. We are on our way now to take it into the lake, test it out for the first time. I have played around a little bit with the trim, and I know the trim is going to be good to go, so I'm not really worried about that. My big concern, obviously, is the motor going to run? Is it going to start? We obviously have done some fixes with the belts, and we've looked at everything. It looks good to go. All the fluids are topped off, so I'm not really concerned about that. So let's see what ends up happening here. Hopefully it starts right up and we have no issues. We got to check for leaks on this thing. We want to make sure it floats, right? That's a huge problem if it doesn't float. So anyway, let's get this thing in the water, start the motor up, see what happens. Wish me luck. All right. There is the lake in the background. Let's back this puppy up. See what happens. You guys nervous like I am? I hope not. I guess the main concern that anyone would have with this is it going to float? We know it's going to float. But what if it doesn't? And be advised, we are going to keep it on the trailer for a little bit, just to make sure we don't see excess water back there. Not bad, huh? With my backing up skills. Haven't backed up in about 6 months. Pretty good so far. All right, here we go. First time, ladies and gentlemen, this thing has touched the water in 6 months. And it is a little cold, I'm telling you. All right, here we go. It is in the water. Let's go back there and see if this thing is floating or not. All right. Water is a little bit cold, I'm not gonna lie. Let's slowly get up in this boat here. Think about this interior, huh? All right. So let's go ahead and pop the back open. Yeah, looks pretty good. Pretty good so far. All right, let's go ahead. Okay. So we got it in our neutral position. Got the key on. Let's crank it over and see what happens. All right, let's lower that trim down a little bit. We don't destroy our U-joints. Yeah, looking good. What do you think about that, ladies and gentlemen? I'm gonna call that a success. Go ahead and look underneath the motor here. How about that? Almost 6 months. I believe we got this thing done, I want to say 5 months, 21 days. I am excited. All right. See, those belts are looking good. Let's go ahead and close it up. Still idling perfectly. No problems there. Yeah, RPMs look good. Let's give it some revs here, see what happens. Oh yeah, alternator's working good. Okay, fuel pressure is good. I'm excited, everybody. So what do you think? Let's put this sucker in the water already. Do some testing. All right, take a look. Go ahead and lower. Reverse is looking good so far. Yeah. What do you think about that sunset, you all? All right. I'm digging this so far. All right, nice and smooth. We're gonna go ahead and back up to Trusty little boat dock here. Let's take a look at our depth. 9 feet, I'll take it. So far, reverse is working great. No issues there. And what I'll do is go ahead and tie off to this dock over here and then open up the engine compartment, and we'll make sure we got no leaks. We all know there's not going to be any leaks. All right, let's go ahead and tie this sucker off. Okay. What do you think about this sunset, huh? The boat's been sitting about 10-15 minutes. Let's go ahead and open up the back and see what it looks like here. Obviously, I'm looking for leaks. Looks good. And on the exhaust couplers, I don't have any leaks. All right, let's go ahead and see what this sucker will do. I'm excited. I hope you all as well. We'll get this party started once I get this knot undone. All right. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's see what happens. Currently in about 6 feet of water. Bring this trim all the way down. All right, just want to keep an eye out on all of our gauges here. Still a little shallow. Once we get out of this no wake zone, hopefully we can call it good. And we'll open it up a little bit. Alright. So far everything is driving really nice. The steering doesn't have any kind of hard spots in it. And the trick with that is make sure anytime you do any work with the steering that you put a vacuum pump on it and pull all the excess air out of it, because otherwise when you first get into this thing, after you've driven it or you have not driven it for a while, you're going to notice the steering, especially on these OMCs, are kind of hard. So I can tell you right now, this steering feels really nice. Another thing too is you need to check the reservoir and make sure it doesn't get too low. I double checked this a few times as it was at the dock and it was fine, no issues here. So as you can see, I'm just kind of cruising and everything is driving good. Keep an eye out on the alternator. Alternator is running fine. Oil pressure is good. Operating temperature is nice. RPMs are good. Currently cruising at about 80 feet of water. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up a little bit more. Kind of pressure test it a little bit, see what it'll do. Okay, look at that. No wake zone? What do you think? Pretty cool, huh? You don't see that every day. You gave me the thumbs up, so we're going to call that good. We're going to get back on a plane now. No pun intended, by the way. So anyway, I hope you liked the series. It was a long time getting all this put together, but it was worth it. Boat drives like a dream. So as always, smash that like button. If you want to see another project by me done, tell me what you'd like to see. Throw some ideas my way. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel, and we'll catch you on the next time. Have a good one. Take it easy.